Welcome back. Last episode we found a dude who wants carp scales, so we need 6 more for second half of mask. I do not know what that mask does, but I guess it's gonna be good. What? One was still alive. Impressive. Somehow missed it. Okay. Can I get back? Or it's too far? Looks far. But maybe some point gonna appear. Okay. Oh. I hang. Shouldn't do it. Might trap myself in the wall or something. Okay, I see somebody on the roof. That might be person, that might be ornament. Ah, that's a roof. Oh my god. Okay. I kind of want to get there. I know there are dudes behind under the bridge. I hope they're not gonna jump on me. Ooh, a lag. Why there was a lag? What? I didn't kill them. Oh, maybe I killed them somewhere else. They just respawned here. Yeah, that makes sense. Sometimes it happens. Oops. I do hear somebody breathing. So somewhere somebody is hiding. Oh my god. 5 dudes at the same time. That's gonna be nasty. You know, if there is somebody hiding, I might take him under my control. If that's the dude with the ball, he could fight them. That middle one, it's not the one with the ball. It's probably with lightning. The one who shoots lightning. Nasty one. Yeah, I do not see anyone, even though I hear breathing. It might come from below. From those 2 samurais. Should I take one under control? I think I could easily take under control the one who stands there. And then run away. What the fuck? Damn it, she's good. What the fuck? That was nasty. Still cannot get there. Dog. Okay, let's try to take control of one stands there. We might need invisibility to get so far. Only one left. Did they kill my dude? Okay, that's a bit too much. Okay, I might die here. Okay, my dude died. Hopefully he killed somebody while. I might kill that one. Oh shit. What the fuck? I almost got me. Damn. Wasn't ready that everyone gonna notice me. But I think we left him with one shot. Shouldn't jump down anymore. I'm gonna die from this. Half health. It's more than I thought. Okay. Who's there? I can't get up. Stupid. I would prefer to kill her, the middle one, not that one, because the lightning one might kill me if we fight 1-to-1. Do not know her moves. Ooh, what's that? One of dudes here. So lucky. She was invisible for him. I just got lucky with all of this. Okay, 3 of them killed. Now comes the hard part. Adamantine scrap. I think I will be noticed if I go. The middle one is face to me. But if I take invisibility, I may get... but I will not have enough points. It costs 5. I have only 4. I might buy them in the shop, but I don't want to go back somehow. Let's try and go around like this. Yeah, it does not look good. I will be noticed when I jump. I could run and reset there. Just two dudes. Too bad it wasn't Shikigami. Okay, I take invisibility. Try to go around and kill that one. Very risky. If I'm being noticed, it will be better to kill him. That I could kill easily. But I may not win 1-to-1 with that. Oh, choices, choices. We have one shot of this. Okay, let's try. Okay, it worked. Dragon Spring Sake. Damn. Okay, we did it. That was good waste of last Shikigami. Okay, on the tree there must be one more. On the tree there must be the one who shot. Oh, there he is. But looks like he's face to me, not back. Well, if things go bad I can always jump down. Shouldn't just jump into the water. Must remember to run to this side. Should I take invisibility again? Let's do it. If I have it, why? Oh, that's a boss fight. Oh, I don't want. Actually, I should have fight him. That was a mistake running away. Because... because that's a good fight. I can always run from him. All I need to do is jump down. I'm not locked. So I think I will try. Of course, it would be cool to waste the money. But we have a one... Oh, that's probably the mage. Can shoot from under the ground. Oh my god, I thought she come back to life. Okay, here is the idea. I fight him. When he kills my first, removes my first life, I jump down, stop the fight, and teleport and reset, and it's all good. We can teleport here. Probably from here they're not gonna see me. Otherwise this is the very bad place to be. Oh, yo. Okay. I changed my mind, I don't want to fight. Remember they teach me how to dodge the lightning? I don't remember. It was something jump and hit, or jump and block. Let's try maybe once. Didn't work. Okay, I died. Time to skedaddle. Okay, let's see. So they are back, of course, but they do not see me. That's most important. So we can try. Yeah, I need to just do right timing for jump. It's so close to level up. Maybe I should do it first. That's kind of important. So like, no, not afraid to lose. Oh, this is not what I wanted. Damn. How long it stays with you? Motherfucker. Death? Straight away? I lost 1.5k. No, no, no! An all XP! Ah! Worst day of my life. Please be unseen aid. Oh my god. Damn. That was so close. I killed so many of them and never died. And now, from out. I want to kill them. Just run in him and kill him. Who is seeing us? Damn! Ooh, you have this as well. Okay, level up. Good. This was perfect. So now we're not afraid to fight boss, but we still want to waste money, not to lose 3k. Oh, now comes the hard part. I don't think there were shop anywhere in these. Poison pool. Nah, there was no shop in poison pool. I think there was one dude here on the top, but he just gave quest or something. I don't think he was a sailor. He was, I don't know, in the middle, I guess.
I've gotten terribly. This old man would like to see Lord Buddha.
Okay, not a shop. As expected. Oh shoot. Thank God Headless is not here anymore. You know, one way to improve, to waste money is to improve my shinobi tool. So let's do that.
Hey, they still have some.
Could just buy them. Snap seeds, papers.
Until next time, friend.
If I get one more level, I could get. What the?
Master Wolf, you're here too. I've always enjoyed the sound of a Buddha being carved.
That's a cool
So
sound.
I stop by this place every now and then.
Give gourd seed. I don't think I have any.
Goodbye.
A true wolf would choose for himself how to use his fangs. The look on your face tells me you've done just that.
Thank you. Dog?
I've abandoned the path of the shinobi, yet I couldn't abandon that shinobi prosthetic. No matter how hard I tried, I'd never have believed that one such as myself, I'm sure.
Whatever. I don't think we have anything new. I think we have an achievement to collect all the shinobi prosthetics. Oh, that's good waste of money. 1,000. Sell, shoot with money? No thanks. Sabimaru, should I do that? I never used this. That would be 2k. I think I will take that, and that. So we need to get somewhere 200 gold. Leaping flame. Great feather mist. Piercing Sabimaru. Okay, these sparks is what I want. When we upgraded, did we wasted this powder? We probably did. Oh no, I upgraded from this tree. I think. I think this tree didn't use it yet. Okay, I want that 100%. Sparks is so good. Yeah, we got those diamonds, or whatever you call them, from fighting the strong lizards. I might try. We got only once, but maybe if I take that balloon.
Another time?
That balloon that increases loot probability. We can kill here 3 dudes in very short period. And one of them is lightning dude. Wealth. Coins. Items. Spirit emblems. More resurrective power. Okay, we need items. Let's see, will it work? Just a wax. Nice try. Oops. Oh, I'm... Damn it, she can kill me. Big balloon effect is still on. Adamantine scrap. Was that the one we were looking for? Phew, excuse me. Okay, we have 1.5k, and maybe we have all the scrap we need. If that was adamantine scrap, that might be a rice. I don't know. That was not adamantine scrap, or whatever it is. So that's probably a rice.
Another
We can try to get more rice, I think. Oh no, she's not here anymore. Let's check. It kind of didn't look like rice. That's something else, that's not rice. Oh, we have a lot of adamantine scrap. We did this. Fulminated mercury. Created in secret by the Interior Ministry, using knowledge from across southern seas. So, okay, so the lizards definitely don't have it. The Central Forces military might owes much of this. So maybe those dudes who attack Ashina Castle have it. Should I go there? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna spend money for other upgrades and whatever. I'm not really in a hurry. 1.5k is easy to get. I have enough money bags for that. for that.
You need?
So let's just get something else for now, so we can fight boss. It's kind of end of the video, but I want at least one fight, I don't know. Never use this. Maybe it's good. Can't use finger. Can't that. We could get this or this. Knocks the enemy down. Applies poison. I think poison is good stuff. I could run away and maybe they would die slowly. I don't know. Never use any of them. 1, 2, 3, 6. So we need 10 of those blue. Maybe for lightning dude this would be better. Oh, that uses that powder. Shoot, I almost used it. No, 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 no. We are saving the powder. So we definitely take Sabimaru. Okay, it's kind of 13 minutes, but I really want to at least once die to boss. So let's go and try to fight him. After we kill him, we might go to water and fight carps, because he's not gonna shoot us from above with lightning. Oh, not this, not this, not this. Just a one fight. Just to get taste of him. Are they sure it was a boss? That was a bit fast. Somebody on the roof. I overpowered him. Okay guys, that's enough for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the fight. See ya!